this useless talent where I bite my nails. Oh, that's the worst thing ever. Oh, acha, karo bhai, karo. Oh, carry this Urdu completely. But it's a
Yes.
Bollywood song. Yeah, okay. My God, that's a difficult. अच्छा, तुम लोग ये सब बदमाशी कर रहे हो. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Molly. How
How
are
are
you?
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Hi,
So
guys.
let's
Hello,
start.
everyone. Let's say hello to all of them also. Hi. मैं
Yes.
बहुत time बाद live आई हूँ. So, hi, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Lovely to see you all. And lovely to see you, Molly, after really long.
Thanks to you for accepting my request for this live.
No worries. You've been messaging me for so long, so I thought, why not?
Thank you. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
So let's start with your upcoming project. So recently you uploaded some stories of set that you're shooting. So
Yeah.
how are you feeling after shooting after quite long time after this pandemic started?
Oh, I felt really good, honestly. I thought I had forgotten how to act after this really long because I acted in front of camera, so I completely forgot. But
Yes.
luckily, it went smoothly. I didn't forget how to act. I could deliver my lines. So, yeah, it went well. But it was just the beginning. Now, let's hope that I mean, I should not put a full stop to it and it keeps happening. I mean, I need to
Yes.
keep shooting more and more often.
We also want to see you on screen. Like it's been so long we haven't seen you.
How sweet. Thank you. I am eagerly waiting for that too.
So how did you started your acting career? Like how did you came to Mumbai and started all of that?
I was an athlete before. Many people know about everything actually. So
Yes.
yeah, so I was an athlete, and I then I suddenly won this pageant when I was in Dehradun, and I won that. And from there, I thought that I want to pursue acting. I want to pursue modeling and acting both, and I want to come to Bombay and live my dreams. So my mother said, "Okay, fine. Let's think how to do that." And we thought how to. We came to Bombay. We found out about all the courses, acting courses, and I joined one of the courses, Kishore Namit Kapoor. And since then they guided me how to do it. They said you have to click your portfolio and distribute it to the production houses. And yeah, since then there was no looking back. Work kept happening by God's grace, and I kept moving forward.
That's good. So what was your first acting project?
My first acting project actually was in Dehradun. I did this. Actually, that was modeling. My first acting would be, I think, एक ad किया था मैंने for Fiamma Devils. Yeah, that was my first
Yes,
acting
I saw
project.
that ad.
You did? Okay. Yeah.
So what did you wanted to become when you were a kid?
Actually, deep down somewhere, I always wanted to be an actor, I guess. मतलब वो कीड़ा होता है ना, because you watch films and
Yes.
you dance, and मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे dancing में डाल दिया था, and she made me do all the forms of dancing like Odissi and Bollywood and Kathak I couldn't do. And then she made me an athlete also, sports person also. So I was confused between both of them because our acting, I never thought that I'll actually come to Bombay and I'll pursue my dreams. So I thought I'll be an athlete, I guess. But God had his plans, so I came to Bombay, and yeah,
And you became an amazing actor now.
thank you.
So if you weren't an actor in present, then what would you have been in present?
I would have been maybe an athlete, I guess, an athlete or an air hostess.
Okay.
Yeah.
So who are your favorite actor and actresses in Bollywood?
Oh, there are many actually. I like many actors. मतलब शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, अक्षय कुमार, ये सब तो बचपन के ही फेवरेट होते हैं हर किसी के.
हाँ.
Everybody's idol. But today's generation also has so many brilliant actors. Varun Dhawan, Vicky Kaushal, so, and actresses Alia Bhatt, Bhumi Pednekar. There are so many. Priyanka Chopra has been all my all-time favorite, and Deepika Padukone. So yeah, there are many actors who
Yes.
I adore. Yeah.
So what is your favorite Bollywood movie?
बाप रे, माय फेवरेट बॉलीवुड मूवी, ये भी बहुत सारी हैं एक्चुअली, बट माय ऑल टाइम फेवरेट जिसको लेके मुझे चस्का चढ़ा था बॉलीवुड का कीड़ा, उसको होगा कहो ना प्यार है, एंड देन
Yes, that was nice
कुछ
movie.
कुछ होता है, दिस वाज लाइक ऑल टाइम फेवरेट फिल्म्स, आई कैन वॉच इट एन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स.
Okay. So your current most favorite song?
My current most favorite song would be, I'm hardly watching films, TV right now these days. तो as such कुछ मैंने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया है, मैंने इतना बिजी हूँ सीरीज वगैरह में. So I'm not listening to music. Actually, my music, the music video was just released
Yes, yes,
with
I heard that.
on SVMT. That's my latest favorite. चलो वहाँ पे
Yeah, I
चलो.
also love that music. It was a
Yeah.
very nice music.
Thank you, thank you. And if you guys haven't seen that song, please watch it. It's a lovely song. I'm sure you love
Very
it.
beautiful.
Yes, it's picturized beautifully. It's sung beautifully, so you must watch it.
Yes. So do you like singing songs?
Do I like singing songs? I love singing songs. I think it's a real stress buster, I would say. Whenever if you're a little low in life, if you hum also a little bit, I think it gives you good vibes. So I love to sing. I wish I was a better singer. Then I could have been a singer for sure, if not
I have heard your
athlete and
voice.
actor. You
It's
have?
very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
So do you watch cartoons?
I used to watch cartoons a lot. Popeye the Sailor Man. Then what was that mermaid show? I completely
The
forgot the
Little
name.
Mermaid or something?
The Little Mermaid. Yes. Then Chandrakanta देखा था बचपन में. Shaktiman and Mario. No, that's a video game. Okay, yeah, Mickey Mouse. Yeah, so there are many cartoon shows I used to watch. Not now because बड़ी हो गई हूँ. आप लोग देखते होगे.
Yes. So have you ever had any awkward or embarrassing moment while shooting?
Oh, there are many. ऐसे तो awkward moments हो ही जाते हैं because sometimes you just slip. अगर आपका भागने का scene है and you slip and you're just on the floor suddenly, so it's just very awkward and
It's
embarrassing
very funny
sometimes.
at that
Yeah.
time.
So and sometimes you forget your lines and you just wonder, oh my god, ये मैंने क्या बोल दिया? Brr, 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 brr. So yeah, there are many awkward and embarrassing moments, but you have to, I think, उसको मजे में लेके, I think you should enjoy that moment and move forward.
Yes. So do you have any useless talent?
Useless talent. Yeah, I think I have this useless talent where I bite my nails.
Okay. Your most embarrassing childhood memory?
My most embarrassing childhood memory. Uh, I think there's बहुत सारे होंगे शायद लेकिन किसी को पता नहीं चलता है. You don't come to know. I'm just embarrassed. You're just embarrassed because you don't tell people, oh my god, oh shit, what happened?
Okay, any embarrassing, any one that comes to your mind whenever you think about it?
I think once I was dancing on a song and I forgot the steps. I think and nobody noticed luckily, and I suddenly remembered and I picked up. So I think that was my most embarrassing moment for myself. Yeah.
Okay, that is not that embarrassing, but okay.
I mean, if everybody would have seen it, I mean, I'm sure it would have been really embarrassing. For
Yeah,
sure.
they would have started laughing.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is the most interesting thing you saw or read this week?
What is the most interesting thing
You saw or read this week?
I saw or read this week? I think I saw this amazing web series, Virgin River. I absolutely loved it. So yeah, that's something interesting I saw.
Okay. So you have ever thought of going in a trip as a normal person when no one knows you as a celebrity? So how would you feel about that?
I would feel great where, you're just a nobody, you're just a regular person, and you are just walking on the streets and chilling, going to any restaurant. So yeah, I mean, I think but still, I mean, because as an actor, I think you want people to know you and you want people to know your work and everything. So I would prefer a place where people know me. But yeah, I mean, I enjoy solitude also, where people don't know me and I'm just chilling and enjoying the vibe.
Yes. Okay. So what is your first or best fan moment?
My first best fan moment, I think, would be I was driving on the highway and suddenly someone just stopped my car and I said that, "Oh my God, you were the Airtel girl." So literally made me stop the car and I came to take my picture. That was a
Click
very,
pictures.
yeah. So that was a very nice moment for me.
Okay. So what is the best work project that you did till now? Like one that you can never forget and is very close to you.
I think the recent one, Avrodh, that's very, very close to me. I enjoyed thoroughly doing that project. I learned a lot and with so many brilliant people. So I think Avrodh is the best so far for me. I mean, there are so many of them. I love Chandrakanta also. I love Baby also. I love all of them. But so far, I think Avrodh is my best,
Yes.
far best. Yes.
Your character was also very nice, Namrata Joshi. I watched it. It
Yes.
was very nice.
Thank you. How sweet. You remember the name also. Let's see.
I remember everything. I am one of your craziest fan till now.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Molly. How sweet.
So we have a segment for you that is guess the Bollywood song from its English translations.
I mean, guess the Bollywood songs from the English. Oh my God, that's the worst thing ever. Oh, acha, karo bhai, karo.
Okay, so the first one is ask about my well-being, ask about my circumstances sometimes.
पूछो जरा पूछो मुझे क्या हूँ नहीं पूछो ask about my well-being, ask about my what?
Ask about my circumstances sometimes.
पूछो मेरा हाल क्या है पूछो मेरा हाल क्या है
खैरियत पूछो.
Oh, Carrion is Urdu completely. But it's a
Yes.
Bollywood song. Yeah, okay. My God, that's a difficult one. Okay.
Okay, the next one is because I'm your boyfriend, you are my girlfriend, and she tells me no, 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 no. It is
मैं
very
तेरा
easy.
गर्लफ्रेंड तू मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड
मैं
वो
तेरा
मेरे कहती
boyfriend.
ना 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 ना
Okay, you guessed it right.
Okay.
The building is high and your lift is not working. How do I come? My heart wishes to come.
ऊंची है बिल्डिंग लिफ्ट
Yes,
तेरी
you
बंद
again guessed it.
Yeah.
The next one. The sun started to pale, the moon started to burn. Why did the sky started melting?
सूरज हुआ मध्यम
Yes, you guessed
चांद
it right again.
ढला
I think you're very good in Bollywood and all, huh?
I love Bollywood songs. This is one of my favorite songs. Suraj Hua Madham, you had asked, no? So Suraj Hua Madham is one of my favorite songs. Yeah.
Yes. So the next one is, okay, I will leave. Remember me in your prayers. Keep the taste of my mention on your tongue.
Okay, I'll leave. अच्छा, तो हम चलते हैं ये.
No, it's not 90s song.
Okay, it's a new song.
Not new, like it's been years, some years.
What's the song? Can you say the lyrics again?
Okay, I will leave. Remember me in your prayers. Keep the taste of my mention on your tongue.
Oh my God. Okay, मैं चलती हूँ. Right? Which song is that?
चलता हूँ. चलता हूँ. Okay, चलता हूँ.
Okay, मैं चलता हूँ. Okay.
There is Ranbir Kapoor in this song.
Oh. Sawaria or what?
No.
Tell me.
चन्ना मेरेया.
चन्ना
अच्छा
मेरे
चलता हूँ तुम होटल आप रुकना.
Oh, so you made अच्छा को okay. अच्छा okay ही बोलेगा obviously. अच्छा चलता हूँ. Oh yes, of course.
Okay, the last one. Those dark eyes, those fair cheeks, those spicy looks, those deer like walk.
Those dark ये काली काली आँखें.
Yes, you are
Good,
interesting.
yeah. I think I prefer the 90s song. I know more of 90s
Yes.
song, I guess.
90s songs are always amazing, always the best.
Yeah, that's true.
Now there are some questions from your fans.
Okay.
So yes. So the
Yeah.
first is, can you reveal something about your upcoming project?
Well, I have done an ad. Other than that, there's nothing, honestly. I am waiting for a nice project to come up. So, hoping that something comes up. Keeping my fingers crossed.
Hopefully something will come up soon.
Thank you. That's
Some
so
big
sweet.
project.
Thank you. Fingers crossed. Let's see.
The next is, what do you want to say to your fans who make lovely edits and VMs for you?
Oh, I would say that I love you all so much. Thank you for giving me so much love. It brings so much of positivity you can't even imagine. And बहुत सारा प्यार, loads of love to you all, loads of positivity to you all, and may God give you all the success you deserve and happiness you deserve. Love you guys.
So the last one is that this or that segment that is given by your fans only. This or that you have
This
to
or
choose
that.
between two
अच्छा,
things.
मिस मैं given by
Yes.
the fans. Oh my God, अच्छा, तुम लोग ये सब बदमाशी कर रहे हो. हाँ.
So the first one is Pani Puri or Maggie.
वाह, ये तो बड़ा difficult है. I like both, Pani Puri and Maggie.
Okay. So the second is cricket or badminton.
Badminton.
Okay. The third is Western dresses or traditional dresses.
That's a
Indian.
difficult one again. I think both. I like them both.
Okay. The fourth one is rich and famous or rich and unknown.
So, as you all know that I'm an actor, so I would prefer rich and famous.
Okay. So coffee or tea.
Coffee or tea? Tea.
Okay. Movies at theaters or movies at home.
Movies at theater, definitely. It's been ages that we've gone to theater
Yes.
and I'm missing it.
This
Yes.
pandemic and all.
It's killing it. So, hopefully, this pandemic gets over and we go to theater and enjoy the popcorns.
Yes. So dance or act.
Both. Definitely both.
Reality shows or movies.
Reality shows, movies.
Okay. Night or morning.
Morning.
The last one, cats or dogs.
Both.
Both.
I
Okay,
mean,
so we are done with all the
I
questions.
used to love dogs earlier, but now I love cats also because I have one and I completely
Yes,
adore it.
Gabru.
Yes. Yeah.
Gabru.
Yes.
Okay, we are done with all the questions. As you said, in 15 minutes, we
Yay!
have to finish.
Lovely. Thank you so much for having me. It was lovely chatting with you, Molly, and you are a wonderful person. Keep going like
Thank
this,
you.
and all the best to you.
All the best to you too. I'm waiting to
Thank
see you on screen.
Thank you. Me too. I'm hopefully waiting myself also, waiting to see myself on screen. All right. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Thank you for always being there. It really means a lot. See you soon. See
Yeah.
you, Molly.
Bye.
Bye.
Lots of love to you.
Thank you.
So that was it of this live. Bye bye. See you next time.